a lot of GCSE math students find it really difficult to work out nth term of a quadratic sequence. Here's how we do it in a very easy way. You just need to know these three equations. Okay, so the question says work out the formula for the nth term of this quadratic sequence. First of all, we'll just work out the first difference. So 10 take away 2 is 8, 22 take away 10 is 12, and 38 take away 22 is 16. Now, since we can see the first difference is not the same, that means it's not a linear sequence. So let's work out the second difference. 12 take away 8 is 4 and 16 take away 12 is also 4. So if we see the second difference is the same, which is an indication that this is a quadratic sequence. Now here is exactly where we have to apply these formulas. So 2a is equal to the second difference. So we'll just place 2a equal to the second difference. 3a plus b equals to the first difference. So 3a plus b equals to 8, and then a plus b plus c equals to the first term. So a plus b plus c equals to the first term, which is 2. So first of all, if we use the first equation, it's just 2a equals to 4, and if we see, we can just divide 2 on each side. That would just be 4 divided by 2, so a would come out to be 2. Okay, now we can use second equation, which is 3a plus b equals to 8. So let's write it down. 3a plus b equals to 8. Now a's value is already 2, so we can just say 3 times 2 plus b equals to 8, and then 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 plus b equals to 8, and if we take away 6 from each side, b comes out to be 2. Okay, now finally let's use the first equation and let's write a add b add c equals to the first term. Since the first term is just 2, so we'll just say a add b add c is 2. A is 2, so we'll just write it as it is. B is also 2 plus c equals to 2. 2 add 2 is 4. 4 add c equals to 2. And if we take away 4 from each side, c comes out to be negative 2. Okay, now since you have the values of a, b and c, you can just plug it into this formula and that will be the nth term. So since a is 2, we'll just say the formula is a n squared at b n plus c. So since a is 2, we'll just write it as 2n squared, and since b is also 2, so that will just be plus 2n, and c, since it's negative 2, it will just be take away 2. So this will be the nth term of this quadratic sequence. Okay, now apply what you learned earlier in this question and comment your answers in the comment section.